Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix login problem on Pokemon Go app. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. Here you'll have to go on Play Store, and once you're on your Play Store, on the search bar, you'll have to type in Pokemon Go app. Once you have searched for the Pokemon Go app, your app might not be working properly because you haven't updated your Pokemon Go app into the latest version. So if you go to your Play Store and if you see update sign here, then all you have to do is tap on update and wait for your app to be updated. Once your app has been updated, you can simply go back and try to log in once again. After going back, if that still doesn't help you, then the thing that you can do is check whether your Wi-Fi connection is strong enough. Sometimes you cannot log in into your Pokemon Go app because of the poor Wi-Fi connection, so all you can do is check your Wi-Fi connection and you can try to log in into your Pokemon Go app after some time again. If these two methods still don't work, then the last method that you can try is go to your device settings. Here you'll have to scroll down and find option apps. After tapping on app, from here you'll have to find Pokemon Go application. Once you have found your Pokemon Go application, tap on it, and from here you can see various options. On the below there are three options, that is open, uninstall and force stop. From here you'll have to tap on the option force stop, and here it is said that if you force stop an app it may cause errors. Just simply tap on OK. After some time you should be able to use your Pokemon Go app properly and you should be able to log in into your Pokemon Go app. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.